If you see a bunny hop, do a little shake. Row, row, row your boat gently down the brook. If you see a monkey there, give a funny look. Row, row, row your boat gently to the shore. If you see an elephant, hear the trumpet roar. Row, row, row your boat floating down the bay. If you see a parrot sing, shout aloud hooray. Row, row, row your boat gently down